the decisions that we make today in our grown-up bodies. You might find it difficult to believe, but they are still filtered with the lens of all the pain, the fear that we have felt in the childhood. Relationship of parents and children does not end when the childhood ends. In fact, the colors of the parenting stay with us even when we are all grown up, and uh, those colors, those parenting styles, play a very pivotal role in how we perceive the world, in how we make decisions, in our day-to-day behaviors, um, in just about everything. So, if you're lucky, you might have had a very good parenting with support, love, joy, space to be, so on and so forth. But for majority of us, the childhood might not have been as beautifully colored as we would want it to be. So, here are 5 signs that you have had toxic childhood. You live in a constant state of fear. Normally, when there is toxic parenting involved, there is a lot of yelling, even physical violence in the household. So that kind of results in you being in this perennial state of being scared, even when you grow up. Not just that, if you have experienced this consistently, then it can have effects which are not very positive on your brain. You might get more stressed, you might have chances of getting depression more. There are many more such causes which are directly related to fear based parenting. You find it very difficult to trust people and to believe in unconditional love because you have not seen this in your childhood. It's very difficult to kind of go out there and to trust people because the people whom you were supposed to trust in your childhood have broken that promise for some reason, and that has gone deep down into your subconscious mind, wherein you're not able to trust other people even when you have grown up. You have an inner voice which is often very critical of what you do. Self criticism is extremely strong, and you might find yourself at a lack of confidence, at a lack of self worth and self esteem. You do not think too highly of yourself because of all the emotional abuse or physical abuse that you received in your childhood. Children who are born and brought up in toxic family settings, they tend to hide their authentic self. They become over diplomatic, and they want to please people around because when they were young, they have learned that that is the only way wherein they can kind of sustain in in that family. So they learn to hide their authentic true self. They try to invalidate their emotions, they try to run away from their emotions. In such kids, the level of substance abuse is also extremely high. It need not just refer to drugs, it can refer to even things like smoking, alcohol. It's really sad that a child who is not able to take care of themselves has to go through such emotional and physical abuse at the hands of people who were supposed to protect him. But having said that, once we are grown up, it is 100% our responsibility to heal whatever we have gone through. How can you heal? You can go to a professional who is, who has necessary tools and techniques who can help you heal. You can try inner child healing. You have to definitely work on your belief system because all of the torture, all of the turmoil that we have endured in childhood has seeped into our subconscious mind. It's not even conscious, it's all subconscious. So, deep inner healing is definitely necessary. Also, we need to forgive whoever is in the past, whoever has done us harm, knowingly or unknowingly. So forgiveness is very important. Reframing your belief system is very important. Inner child healing is very important. And I think one of the best thing that can help us is something which is called mindful. I always say, stay empowered because you deserve it. And no matter what has happened in the past, you still deserve being empowered and living the best version of your life. Take care.